Kuttar Mein Thandanai Tamil movie summary. Ravi, a young man suffering from tunnel vision, works as a collection boy in a credit card collection office. Anu is his senior officer and also a close friend. Ravi lives in a housing colony which is surrounded by many flats. He lives on the first floor and opposite to his house on the ground floor lives Sweta, a young woman who appears to be modern and carefree. Ravi always watches her from his balcony and sometimes watches her secretly. She is often visited by a few men. One of them is her boss Vijay Prakash, who brings her a gift on his birthday, and the other seems to be her boyfriend Arun. One day Ravi sees Arun coming out of her house angry and stares at him as he drives away. Ravi is getting treatment for his eye condition and his doctor says his condition could only get worse in the future and needs an eye transplant, which would cost him 3,20,000 rupees. As he doesn't have enough money, he tries to apply for a loan from his boss, which is rejected. One night, Ravi sees Vijay Prakash coming out of Sweta's house with a panicked expression and gets back inside suddenly and locks the door. Ravi gets suspicious and goes down and inquires him about Sweta. He calls him inside and shows him Sweta, who is lying dead in a pool of blood. Ravi assumes that Vijay Prakash has killed Sweta and gets angry. But Vijay Prakash offers him a deal to remain quiet, despite claiming that he did not kill her, and if his name is involved in her death, then it may affect his name and business in the society. So in order to get his eye condition cured, Ravi agrees to remain quiet and takes 3,20,000 rupees from Vijay Prakash. Vijay and Ravi part ways. Ravi visits the hospital to pay the money for his treatment, but is told that the full amount for surgery will be 4,82,000 rupees instead of 3,20,000 rupees due to some miscellaneous charges. Disappointed, Ravi calls Vijay Prakash for more money, but he refuses to pay any more, saying that their deal is over. Meanwhile, police start investigating and start inquiring everyone in the colony and finally visit his house too. He initially says he doesn't know anything, but as he is angry at Vijay Prakash for not giving him money, he informs the police that he saw a man near Sweta's house on the night of the murder. The police takes him to the station and begin to inquire. At the same time Arun, Sweta's boyfriend, is in the station applying for anticipatory bail, saying that he never knew anyone named Sweta. Ravi identifies Arun as the man he saw on the night of the murder to the police and Arun is considered as the prime suspect. Ravi tries to contact Vijay Prakash again but his phone is switched off. With Anu's help, he gets his number and meets him again, threatening that he will inform him to police and strikes a deal again, this time for 2 lakhs rupees. Ravi goes to the hospital again and is informed that his name is registered for surgery and is on the waiting list to get a suitable donor and is told that he must wait for a long time. Frustrated, Ravi shouts at the hospital employees and is enraged. An employee says him that if he pays 5 lakhs rupee extra as a bribe, his name will push up the order and his surgery will take place soon. Ravi is clueless as to what to do. One night he is met by Balan, who was sent by Arun's advocate, and he offers him a deal to remain quiet in the court, as Ravi is the only witness in this case. Ravi agrees for a deal of 5 lakhs rupee, but Arun's side offer him only 1 lakh rupees as advance and the remaining money after the hearing of the case. Ravi half-heartedly agrees and takes the 1 lakh. While walking back home, Ravi is attacked by a stranger. Ravi guesses that it must be the work of Vijay Prakash and visits him. He threatens Vijay Prakash saying that he will reveal everything to his family if he doesn't agree to his deal. And Ravi demands 25 lakhs rupees. Enraged, Vijay Prakash shouts at him saying that he did not kill Sweta but eventually agrees to pay Ravi and also confesses that he had an affair with Sweta. In the court, Arun is cross-examined in front of the judge and he too says that he had a relationship with Sweta but argued and left when she brought up marriage. Ravi falsely states that he saw Arun on the day of the murder and withholds the fact that she was seen alive after he left, and the judge announces the verdict of life imprisonment and fine for Arun as the killer. Arun's lawyer and father are shocked. Ravi returns 1 lakh rupee to them and returns home. His house owner asks him to vacate his house for a relative, so he starts packing his things. Meanwhile, Anu has been fired for helping him find Vijay Prakash's number. Ravi has a secret mobile phone in which the wallpaper is a photo of him and Sweta together. It is then revealed that Ravi and Sweta were in a relationship and Sweta started avoiding him after knowing about his eye condition. Also, she turns out to be unfaithful, sleeping with many men for her pleasure and profits. This enrages Ravi and he asks her to come with him, and he is ready to accept her. She refuses and insults Ravi. So Ravi kills her in a fit of rage and escapes. Finally, Ravi is met on the road by the lady doctor who initially diagnosed him with this eye condition and tells him that his condition is indeed incurable and he will become blind despite an eye transfer. She was forced to lie to him because of the hospital pressure and leaves. Ravi is totally heartbroken and regrets that he did a big mistake. Some years later, Ravi has moved to Kolkata. He has married Anu, who is pregnant and is completely blind. The film ends by showing that Ravi's mistakes were indeed the punishment.